In today's video, I'll show you how to install a mod menu in Max Payne 3. Check my video description for this download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open scriptbook and drag and drop this to DLL file inside of a game folder. Open trainer and drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder and launch the game. Press the F4 key to open up this trainer. Turn on the numlock in our numpad using the 2 and 8 key in our numpad to choose option. To select option, press 5 key in our numpad. To go left and right, press 4 and 6 in our numpad. Choose the gun you like to use. As you can see, the trainer is working. That's how you can install this mod menu. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.